Nothing's changed in the last hour. Still got quite a bit of sunshine over our Southeast Community College camera. Now you see a few clouds every now and again off in the southeast corner of the state. These little wisps out near Crete, but there's no rain coming from this. We're still mostly sunny. Those clouds are inconsequential. 82 degrees right now at Lincoln Airport, 81 in Nebraska City, 83 in Beatrice, 79 in York, and Aurora has finally warmed up to the 80-degree mark, so we've had a change there. 79 in Grand Island, 77 in Kearney. Now for high temperatures today, I think we'll top out in the lower 90s in Lincoln, but overall in southeast Nebraska, we're likely looking at upper 80s to low 90s, maybe slightly warmer off towards the south as Beatrice, Fairbury, Hebron may be able to get a southeasterly component to the wind, as there'll be a boundary pretty close by. That'll play an important role in our evening thunderstorm forecast, which we're going to talk about right now. Now, we're mostly clear throughout all the afternoon hours, but by late afternoon in southern Nebraska, where that boundary is, we may see some fair weather cumulus clouds develop, but they won't stay fair weather cumulus clouds for long. They'll grow into some thunderstorm activity, or at least this is an area where I think we may have some thunderstorm activity developing. In southern Nebraska, I can't rule out maybe an isolated spin up, maybe some large hail with any of these thunderstorms that do develop. Now, I have greater confidence in the evening, an overnight event. Somewhere in southeast Nebraska, it looks like we'll have an axis of heavy rain starting to develop. Large hail could be possible with this, and this northwest to southeast band of thunderstorms will also be moving off to the southeast, so it'll be training over the same region. So in those regions, we could see some flash flooding as well. It may develop farther up to the north, maybe out towards Omaha and up towards Fremont, or maybe what Stormcast is showing here. But somebody in southeast Nebraska has got the chance to see these, and I do expect some to remain dry in the overnight hours tonight. We're going to hope we don't get a lot of severe weather tonight. By tomorrow morning, I think we'll start to dry out. We're not looking at too much rainfall at this point for the morning commute on Friday. Now, we do have a chance for severe weather. The yellow shaded region is probably where it's most probable, along and south of I-80. I wouldn't be shocked at the next update. This would shift just a little bit off towards the north, but not everybody in this yellow shaded region will see severe weather, but somebody has a decent chance at seeing something. And if you do see storms, I'm thinking large hail and damaging straight line winds are the main concern. And if you can see some of those early evening round of thunderstorms, it may be an isolated spin up in there, but that's not the main concern tonight. I also am having a slightly higher chance for flash flooding if you get caught under one of those training thunderstorms. And then our attention turns to the heat. Tomorrow, slightly warmer, 93 degrees, but out to the west, it gets even warmer, maybe even upper 90s out towards the Tri-Cities, as we'll have southeasterly winds everywhere. And this weekend, the triple digits possible for Lincoln on Saturday and Sunday, and this is accompanied by quite a bit of humidity as well, so it'll likely feel hotter than the actual air temperature. In Lincoln on Saturday, Sunday, and maybe even on Monday, we could have heat indices or the feels like temperature approaching 105 degrees. That would satisfy heat advisory criteria, I believe, for many hours. So we may see some heat advisories issued. In fact, we've got an excessive heat watch starting tomorrow morning through Monday evening out west, because remember, starting tomorrow, we could see temperatures in the upper 90s. But in Lincoln, I think we'll see low to mid 90s for highs tomorrow. We'll have to wait to see upper 90s to triple digits for the weekend. Breezy conditions on Saturday. Sunday, by the way, Father's Day, should be windy, hazy, hot, and humid, and we'll keep the triple digit temperatures into Monday of next week as well. Maybe a slight cool down Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as we have a couple upper level waves moving on by, but I still call 88 degrees warm, and we're back in the upper 90s by the end of next week.